Hello Unocoiner, welcome to Unocoin, crypto का super app. Have you seen a referral code? Have you ever been referred by your friend who is a Unocoin user? Or do you want to know how to use a referral code and start your crypto journey at Unocoin? If you answered yes, then this video is going to take you through each and every step or the process of using a referral code shared by your friends or connections. You can use this code to sign up at Unocoin and start your crypto journey with Unocoin. Let's start. Copy the coupon code that you have received from your friend. Download the Unocoin application and click on sign up. Enter your phone number and desired password. Now you would see a text box to enter the coupon code and referral code. Both of these codes are optional. Please enter your friend's referral code in the referral code text box and click on I agree to terms and conditions. Click sign up. Enter the SMS that you will receive on your mobile phone. Set a 6-digit passcode. Proceed further to get yourself verified. Once you are a verified Unocoin user, you can do transactions on Unocoin. I hope this video was informative to you. For more information, visit www.unocoin.com. Love crypto coins, love Unocoin. Thanks for watching.